In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the language in Google Chrome back to English. If your Chrome browser is currently showing menus and settings in another language, don't worry. This is a simple fix, and I'll walk you through it slowly so it's easy to follow. As long as you can open Chrome and get into the settings menu, you'll be able to switch everything back to English in just a few moments. Start by opening Google Chrome on your computer. Once the browser is open, look to the top right corner of the window. You'll see the three-dot menu icon there. Go ahead and click on those three dots to open the main Chrome menu. From that menu, click on the option for language. Depending on the version of Chrome you're using, this may appear directly in the menu or inside the settings area. Once you're in the language section, look for the option that says Add Languages. Click that so you can choose another language for the browser. Now, find English in the list of available languages. You may need to scroll a little, or use the search bar if one appears. Once you see English, select it, and then click Add. This tells Chrome that you want English to be available as one of your browser languages. After English has been added, you'll need to make Chrome display in that language. To do that, find English in your language list, then click the three dots next to it. This opens a small menu with more options for that language. In that menu, select the option to display Chrome in this language. This is the key setting that changes the browser interface itself, including menus, buttons, and settings, back to English. Once you choose that option, Chrome will usually ask you to relaunch the browser. Click Relaunch. This closes and reopens Chrome so the language change can fully apply. After Chrome restarts, the browser should now appear in English. If it doesn't update immediately, give it a moment after reopening, or check the language section again to confirm that English is selected as the display language. In most cases, though, the relaunch is all it takes. And that's it. That's how to change the language in Google Chrome back to English.